Hello everyone. Today we are going to tell you how to program the Roger remote control with Roger Gate motor. So now we have this remote and this motor we are already connected with the power. And first of all you have to do one thing. You have to press the P1 button here, which is over here. So you have to P1 button and the light will blinking, and you have to press the button here, so it will be programmed. The light will go off, and then after that you can check now your remote is already programmed, so you can try the remote now. Your remote is programmed now. You can just see it is working. So this is the how to program the Roger Gate remote control. Thank you.